Hey! If you want to reset an iPhone but find a lock screen that says, "This iPhone is linked to an Apple ID," that means your iPhone is locked by an activation lock. The message could be like, "This iPhone was lost and erased," or other phrases. No matter what the message is, all you need to do is sign in to the original Apple ID and password to activate your iPhone first. But what if you don't have or remember the Apple ID or the password? Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass activation lock on your Apple device without the original Apple ID or password. Now, please follow me. Step 1. Download and launch iMyFone iBypasser. Step 2. Connect iPhone to the computer and click Start. Step 3. Download Jailbreak Package and click Start Jailbreak. Then, follow the guide and wait for a second after operation. Step 4. Click on Start. Step 5. Click Next, Start Bypass, and wait for a while. Now the activation lock is successfully bypassed. The software I am using is iBypasser for Mac, and it also has a Windows version. The link is right here. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.